Hello students, in the previous session we just discussed about the subtraction using one's complement and again you've seen two things over there, that is minuend is greater and the subtrahend is smaller, and again the minuend is smaller and the subtrahend is greater. So in this case, in the next case we are discussing the same, the subtraction using two's complement. Using two's complement. So again we are going to take the same, we'll take the same numbers without any confusion, that is 1 0 1 0 and 1 triple 0. So as you know already, this one is 10 in the decimal number system and this one is 8 in the decimal number system. So I am representing with the base as 10, here the base as 2, and again minus I am giving over here. So you already know when your subtrahend is smaller and minuend is greater, you are going to get number as 2. You are seen in the previous case. Now we are always dealing with your subtrahend. We are taking the number as 1 triple 0 as your subtrahend. Yes, this is your subtrahend. And now we are doing the ones complement for your subtrahend first, that is 0 1 1 1 1 1 1, and adding 1 for this one is nothing but your two's complement. So 0 1 0 1 0 1. So 1 plus 1 is, sum is 0, carry is 1. Again 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. In the same way for the third one, it is 0 and carry is 1, and the last one is only 1. So now whatever you got, this one is nothing but your two's complement of subtrahend. Two's complement of subtrahend. So as usual, same thing, retain your minuend as it is, that is 1 0 1 0, and add the number two's complement of subtrahend for the minuend, that is 1 triple 0. So now addition, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 0, and the carry is 1. So in the previous case, the same thing, you got the carry, but what we have done is we added that carry for the first step answer, but here in the two's complement we are going to neglect this one. We are going to neglect the carry. So what is the, once we neglect this one, you are going to remain with 0 0 1 0. This is what your base 2 system, base 2 of your 0 0 1 0. So I can check the answer. So what is your 2? Binary equivalent of 2 is 0 0 1 0. That is what your answer is. So in the two's complement of your subtraction using the two's complement, you are just going to neglect your carry. So that is what you are doing. So same number I will be taking for your exchanging the minuend and subtrahend. So I will be taking 1 triple 0 and this one is 1 0 1 0. This is what the subtraction you are doing for your minuend is smaller and the subtrahend is greater. So again always you are going to deal with your subtrahend, that is 1 0 1 0. Two's complement of subtrahend, that is 0 1 0 1. This is what your one's complement. Adding 1 for this one, nothing but your two's complement. It is 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry is 1. So 1, again 1 and 0. So this is what your two's complement of subtrahend. So now retain your minuend 1 triple 0 and your two's complement of subtrahend is 0 1 1 0. Addition, you are doing in the place of minus, you will be taking the addition once you do the two's complement of subtrahend. Now the same thing, 0 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is again 1. So in this case you are not getting the carry. So what you have done in the ones complement, so when you are done for the ones complement subtraction, you will be doing for the ones complement again for the first step answer of your whatever the first step answer you got in the two's complement. But here there you are doing for the ones complement, but you are dealing with your two's complement. Now you have to do the two's complement for your first step answer. So two's complement of first step answer is nothing but first doing ones complement and adding 1 for this one. 0 1 1 plus 1 is 0, that is sum is 0 and carry is 1. 1 and again 0 0. We are retaining the same as it is what else we have because you don't have any number over there. Now 0 0 1 0. Now you are done the ones complement, added 1 for this one. Now you can see the number over here. So 0 0 1 0, the same number what you are seeing as 0 0 1 0, but in the case of when you are doing the 2's complement again means then you have to write the minus sign over here. So minus sign with binary base 2. So you can see when the number is 8 and the number is 10 over here, when you do the subtraction, you will be getting minus 2 because your subtrahend is greater than your minuend. That's why you will be rating as minus 2. This is what your basics you have. The same thing what we are doing is we are writing the minus over here. That gives the clarification of whatever you are doing, the same thing you are getting as usual in the 1's complement and 2's complement subtraction, but the methods what we are applying for the subtrahend is going to change. Thank you.